Hello and welcome to this video on slices in Go. In this video, we will be discussing what a slice is and how it can be used in Go programming. What is a slice? A slice is a data structure in Go that represents a variable length sequence of elements of a certain type. It is similar to an array but with a dynamic size that can be changed at runtime. So now let's look how to create a slice. To create a slice in Go, we use built-in make function. The syntax for creating a slice using make is make then square brackets t, then length and capacity. Okay, so where t is a type of the element in the slice, length is the initial length of the slice, and capacity is the initial capacity of the slice. So if we want to create a slice of integer with a length of 5 and a capacity of 10 using this make function, it would look something like this. S shorthand declaration for a variable make. Now it would be a slice and it would be of type an integer and its length would be 5 and capacity would be 10. Okay, so in this way you can you make use of the make function to declare a slice in Golang. Okay, other than this, you can also use directly a shorthand variable declaration to declare a slice. Okay, so that can be done in simply like we used to declare an array. This is, and using curly braces we have to populate the elements like 1 2 3 4 according to the needs. Okay, now moving further in this video, let's try to access the elements in the slice. Okay, so we can access individual elements in a slice using the slice notation. The slice notation uses the square brackets to access elements to the slice. The first element of the slice is at index 0 and the second element is at index 1 and so on, similarly like an array. Okay, but the difference is that array is not flexible, slice is very flexible. Okay, so let's create a program to access the elements in the slice. Okay, so let me clear up this. Start to code package main import fmt func main braces curly braces. Now I will be using the normal declaration method, not using this make function. So int, and let me take some values in it. Okay, so if you want to access a particular value at a particular index in slice, we have to simply print it using fmt.println and the index of the particular value. Okay, so this program I will save it and now I will run it. Here you can see I can see the value at the 0 index, which is 1, is printed as the output of this program. So let me comment it out here. Output is 1. Okay, so you all can understand. So if you have any doubts till now, please comment it out in the comment box and reach out to me at my mentioned profiles in the descriptions to get more updates, or you can say that if you want to discuss more, you can just reach out to me directly over there. Okay, now if we want to change, or you can say modify elements in the slice, the individual elements may be changed using the slice notation on the left hand side of the assigned element. Okay, so let's do that so that it would be clearer. So suppose if I want to change the index position 1 value, which is 2 here. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply update it. To update that, I will use s of 1, which is the slice variable s, and the index point is 1, and I have to update that to 6. Okay, now again I will be printing that index to C. Let's print out first the slice to see the change. Okay, now let it run. See, the index position 1 is changed and been updated to value 6. Okay, this is how we append, or you can say that it's not append, it's modifying a particular existing value of a slice. Okay, now next come to append. To append certain values into the slice, we use append function. The append function takes a slice and one or more values to append to the slice and returns a new slice containing the original elements plus the new elements. Okay, so let's try to understand how this append works. So I am removing this code now. So as I told, we will be using append function. This is a inbuilt function which comes for the property in slice. So let's declare the same variable s and append s. So this s is the variable which initiates the slice, means the variable of a slice, and in which what we want to append. So it can be integers here. So let's say we want to append 6, 7 or 8. Okay, now to print this, we will use fmt.println and s, because it will be updated now. So here we are not specifying a particular index where the elements are to be added. We are just saying with the help of variable s that please append, means please add this number to this slice s. So it will be added in the last position. So if we run it, you can see the numbers are added, means updated, and they are at the tail side, means at the end side. Okay, now we have seen that how to update the element, how to append it. Now one of the thing which comes is slicing a slice. Okay, means we can take a particular subset you can say, or a particular set of elements from a slice if we want. Okay, so we can create a new slice from an existing slice by using the slice notation with a colon. The slice notation with a colon takes two indices. The first is starting index of the slice, and the second is the ending index, which is not inclusive. Okay, so how to do that? Let's see. I will remove this append function. So to slice a slice, we have the syntax as follows, which is I will comment it: variable equal slice where start and end. Okay, so this start and end are basic the index of an array. So if we take example of this above slice which I have declared with the help of variable s, and if we want to see the elements from 2 to 5, or we can say that something between 1 to 5. Okay, so we will print out it in this way: sliced the array variable. Now we want to print only 2 and 4. Okay, so the starting would be this 0 1. Okay, so the starting would be the 1, which is the first index, and end would be the last index, which is 4. Okay, so now let's print the sliced save it. Yeah, you can see what I got. So the output shows that the start value is 1, which is the index 1, which is 2 here, and in the end position we have index 4. So if you count it, 0 1 2 3. Okay, so 4 is not there, so it is not included. So let me make it more clear, I hope. Let me change the index to 3, save it. Yeah, you can see we got 2 and 4 now. In previously I was mistaking the index. So the starting is 1, which is being taken, and the ending is 5. So what you are saying is here that the start element is taken and the end element is not taken. Okay, so let's try it some other way. What will happen if we not give the end value? Oh, we have not saved it. Let's save it. See, so what it does, since we are not giving the end index, it is taking all the values after the start. Okay, so at index 1 it is 2 declared, and we don't have the end index, so it is taking all the elements in the array rest of all. Okay, Similarly, if we don't declare start element and just declare here 3 and save it, then run it, it will ignore till third, means it will take only index 3. Okay, so 5 is not printed here. We get the desired value as 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so this is pretty much here in slice from the means in the is this concept for slicing a slice. Now, as I told earlier in the starting of the video, that to create a slice we use the make function. Okay, so let me give one example quickly for that also. So many people who are seeing it this video may have may be curious to know that how to declare that using a make statement. So we have this basic skeleton structure of this Go program. Now I am using s variable with shorthand declaration. Then in curly braces I will use make function, then integer, then length is 5, then capacity is 10. So how to manipulate values inside this? So to do that we can use a simple way, which is using a for loop to set the values of the elements. Okay, so you can directly populate it by iterating over it, or with the help of iteration you can use inside fmt.scalenn to take the input from the user. Okay, so I will just try to manipulate a table of 2 inside it. So 0 I is less than length of s, which is our slice, not capital S, small s. Then I would go plus plus, then s of I, which is the index for a particular place, I into that value of 2. Okay, let's print it. fmt dot println, then s, save it, clear it, run it. Okay, you can see in this example we first import fmt package to be able to print the slice in the console. We then create a new slice of integers with a length of 5 using make function and use a for loop to set the value of the elements. Okay, and then finally we print the slice to the console using fmt.println. Okay, so in this video we have covered the basic of slices in Go, along with the 2 types of declaration, which is using the make function and which is the normal declaration directly which we declare. And we learned what a slice is and how to create a slice, access and modify elements in the slice, append elements to a slice, and slice a slice. So slices are an important and powerful data structure in Go and are used extensively in Go programming. So if you like this video and you've found this video helpful, then you can share it with your friends, and do hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get latest updates. And I would be giving my GitHub link, LinkedIn link, and all other my social handle links in the description box. Do follow them. And there is a Instagram page with the name Tech on Cloud, which posts exciting stuffs for Golang programming. And we have short programming to implement in the form of posts there. Yeah, so this is my all for today. Yeah, but don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you till in the next video.